Hey guys, coming at you with another simple 2-ingredient. This could be an appetizer or it could be an entree as well. But these are going to be puff pastry wrapped shrimp. So I have here some large peeled and deveined shrimp, and then I have 1 sheet of thawed puff pastry that I have started to cut into strips. So about 14 shrimp you'll get per puff pastry, 14 strips of the puff pastry, depending on how thick, how thin you cut it. But what I'm going to do now is to put all my shrimp into a bowl, and I'm going to SPOG it up, salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder. And you can stop there. If you're in a hurry and you don't have anything else on hand, that's fine. I am going to do juice of half of a lemon. On top, I use my hands as the filter to grab all the seeds. And then a little drizzle of olive oil. Give this a toss. Obviously my hands didn't work that well because there's a seed. And then you're going to get a strip of puff pastry and you're going to wrap it around the shrimp. So honestly, these are kind of like, they're reminding me of like a shrimp Wellington. You know, beef Wellington, instead we're going to do shrimp though. But if you served like 6 of these on your dinner plate with some like nice sauteed vegetables, I mean, that's your protein from the shrimp, carb from the puff pastry. All you need is veggies and you would have a very elegant meal. Or throw these on a plate with some dipping sauce and you got a very fancy appetizer. So wrap these up, and then you can stop here, but I have some sesame seeds that I'm going to put on top. I'm going to brush a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to sprinkle the sesame seeds on top. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and these little shrimpies are going to bake for 20 minutes and come out golden brown and beautiful and ready to pop into your mouth. Some sesame seeds, optional but nice. All right, the 20 minutes has passed. It smells like a seafood place in here. The shrimp have gotten nice and pink, cooked through. The puff pastry has risen. The sesame seeds have gotten toasted. And these puff pastry shrimp look amazing. And like I said, because I use larger shrimp, these really would make a delicious entree, kind of like shrimp Wellington or a really hearty appetizer. But look how scrumdiddlyumptious that looks.